Alright, low clearance ceiling with an opener. Yeah, that's what I did. Goes through the top, and oh yeah, I made my own brackets. No sneaky snake things required. Oh, see how nice that closed? This is all stuff you can buy at Princess Auto and Home Depot. Hinges. Put your roller on. And that, haha, make your own. It's easy. See how nice they work? Door closes perfect. Up here you just gotta make a thing to go around the spring, support it up there. As you see how close my rafters are. And I don't need one of those big giant long extensions that goes way back there. It works perfect. Watch. The low clearance ceiling. You know, it's easy. Try it. You won't believe how easy it is. I think this is how they came up with that sneaky snake or whatever it's called, hinges. All they did was get some hinges. One more time, just in case you missed it. Watch how nice they work. You'll see the door stop. Boop. And then you just put a piece up here. You see that piece? Top of the door hits it, then it closes it, goes that way. It's really simple, really easy. And yeah, if you have no headroom, it's perfect.